The number of solutions of the equation z square plus z bar is equal to 0 is 4 options are there. Here z is equal to the complex number x plus iy and z bar is it's a conjugate here. X minus iy is the conjugate of the complex number. Then z square here. So z square plus z bar is equal to 0 implies z square means it's a square here. So x square plus I square y square plus 2xy into I, then plus and z bar is this here, x minus I into y is equal to 0. Therefore this implies here I square is a minus 1, x square is a real part, minus y square is a real part, x is also real part, right in the one bracket here. So x square minus y square plus x here, because I square is a minus 1, so then this becomes a real part, so I am writing here. Then here I, this is also I here, so I into I common factor, so plus 2x minus 1 into y into I, complete this imaginary part here, that is equal to 0 plus I into 0, right? This 0 as 0 plus I into 0. Therefore here x square minus y square plus x equal to 0, x square minus y square plus x is equal to 0, take equation number 1 here, and here 2x minus 1 into y, 2x minus of 1 into y is equal to 0, yes, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 upon 2 here and y is equal to 0. Therefore, if y is equal to 0 here, if y becomes 0, use here. So therefore x square and y is a 0 here. So minus of 0 plus x is equal to 0 here from equation number 1 here. Then x is the common factor here. So x plus 1 is equal to 0, x equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1 here. Similarly, when x equal to 1 upon 2 here, if x is equal to 1 upon 2, use here. Okay. Therefore, 1 by 2 square is 1 upon 4 minus of y square plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0 from 1 here. From equation number 1. Take y square right hand side here. So here 4 LCM. Then 4 ones are 4. Then 2 twos are 4. Is equal to y square here. 2 plus 1 becomes 3 by 4. Take a square this area. So y is equal to plus or minus root of 3 divided by 2. Hence, when y is a 0, x equal to 0 and minus 1 here. So 0, 0. When x is 0, y is 0. And x is minus 1, y is 0. Minus 1, comma 0. Then x is 1 upon 2 here. And y is root 3 by 2. Again now x is 1 upon 2. Y is a minus of root 3 by 2 here. So 4 solutions are there. Yes, D is the correct option here. Let Z1 and Z2 are any two complex numbers, then modulus of Z1 plus Z2 whole square plus modulus of Z1 minus Z2 whole square is equal to first option 2 into modulus of Z1 square into modulus of Z2 square. Second option 2 into modulus of Z1 square plus 2 into modulus of Z2 square. Third option modulus of Z1 square plus modulus of z2 square plus 2 into modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. Fourth option modulus of z1 square plus modulus of z2 square here. So here consider two complex numbers here. Let z1 is equal to x1 plus I into y1 here, and z2 is equal to x2 plus I into y2. These are the two complex numbers here. Next adding here z1 plus z2 here. So z1 plus z2. Sum of these complex number gives x1 plus x2 plus I into y1 plus y2 here. And subtract here z1 minus z2. z1 minus z2 gives x1 minus of x2 plus I into y1 minus of y2. Here we want its sum here. So modulus of z1 plus z2, it's a square plus modulus of z1 minus z2 square here. You know, in the complex number here, suppose z equal to x plus I into y, then the modulus of z gives what here? Root of x square plus y square, or modulus of z square is x square plus y square here. So using this result here, z1 plus z2 is this complex number here. So it's a square here. Modulus of z1 plus z2 whole square gives x1 plus x2 whole square. x1 plus x2 whole square plus y1 plus y2, it's a square here. Modulus of z1 minus z2 whole square gives x1 minus x2 whole square, then plus y1 minus y2 whole square here. Then expand the terms here. So x1 square plus x2 square plus 2x1 x2, then plus y1 square plus y2 square plus 2y1 into y2 plus x1 minus x2 square, x1 square plus x2 square minus of 2x1 x2 plus y1 minus y2 square, y1 square plus y2 square minus 2y1 y2 here. Next here this term cancels here. These two term get cancels. x1 square plus y1 square, x2 square plus y2 square. Here x1 square plus x1 square 2x1 square, x2 square plus x2 square 2x2 square, y1 square plus y1 square 2y1 square, y2 square plus y2 square 2y2 square. Hence 2 into x1 square plus y1 square plus, then 2 into bracket x2 square plus y2 square here. Hence x1 square plus y1 square is modulus of z1 square plus 2 into, this is a modulus of z2 square here. Yes, B is the correct option here. B also. So z1 is equal to 3 plus 4i and z2 is equal to minus 1 plus 2i. Then modulus of z1 plus z2 square minus 2 into modulus of z1 square plus modulus of z2 square is equal to 4 options are there. So first find your modulus of z1 square here. Here z1 is this complex number here. It's a modulus here. So 3 square plus 4 square. Modulus of z1 whole square is 3 square plus 4 square here. So 9 plus 16 becomes 25. And modulus of z2, it's a square. Here minus 1 square plus 2 square here. 4 plus 1 becomes a 5. Then find here z1 plus z2 here. z1 plus z2. It's a sum here. 3 minus 1 becomes a 2 plus 4i plus 2i becomes a 6i. Therefore, find its modulus square here. Modulus of z1 plus z2 whole square equal to 2 square plus 6 square here. 6 square is 36 plus 4 gives a 40 here. Then z1 minus z2. z1 minus z2 here. 3 plus 1 becomes a 4. 4i minus 2i becomes a 2i. Therefore, modulus of z1 minus z2 whole square is a 4 square here plus 2 square. So 16 plus 4 becomes a 20 here. Now use that formula, that result. Modulus of z1 plus z2 whole square minus of 2 into bracket modulus of z1 square plus modulus of z2 square here. Here modulus of z1 plus z2 whole square is a 40. So write here 40 minus of 2 into modulus of z1 square is a 25. Then a plus modulus of z2 square is a 5. Therefore 40 here. 25 plus 5 30. 2 are 60 here. So therefore this equal to minus of 20 here. Here 20 is the value of this one here. So minus of modulus z1 minus of z2 whole square here. In this case, B is the correct option here. So 3 complex numbers are there. Then z1, z2, z2, z3 represents vertices of an equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangle, and none of these here. So therefore, find here factor z2 minus of z1. Then z2 minus z1 here. z3 minus of z2. Then 3 minus 2, 2 minus 1 here. 2 minus 1 here. So direct find here z1 minus z2 here. z2 minus z3. z3 minus z1 here. So z1 minus z2, 1 minus 2 is a minus of 1. 2i minus 3i becomes a minus of I. z2 minus z3. 2 minus 3 gives a minus of 1. 3 minus 4 gives a minus of I. z3 minus z1. 3 minus 1 gives a 2 here. And 4i minus 2i becomes a plus 2i. Therefore, modulus of z1 minus of z2 here, it is the root of minus 1 square plus minus 1 square here is equal to root of 2 here. Similarly, modulus of z2 minus of z3 gives the root of minus 1 square plus minus of 1 square. Again, it is the root of 2 here. Modulus of z3 minus of z1 gives the root of 2 square plus 2 square is the root of 8 here. It is 2 root of 2 here. Therefore, sum of these two gives this here. Modulus of z1 minus of z2 plus modulus of z2 minus of z3 is equal to root 2 plus root 2 here. That is 2 root 2, but 2 root 2 is the value of this one here. modulus of z3 minus of z1 here. If this condition satisfied, then complex numbers are collinear. Therefore, z1, z2, z3 are collinear. If this condition satisfied, then the three complex numbers are collinear. Yes, so D is the correct option here. Suppose if you draw the graph here, just observe here. Here 1, 2, 3 are there. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So 1, 2 means this part here. 1, 2 means this part. Then 2, 3. Then it is a 2, it is a 3 here. This part here. And 3, 4. So when it is 3, then it is a 4 here. 3, 4. Then obviously the points are collinear. Hence Z1, Z2, Z3 are collinear. So D is the answer. Okay. Here modulus of Z minus 2 divided by modulus of Z minus 3 is equal to 2 represents a circle. Then the radius is equal to, first option is 1, second 1 by 3, third 3 by 4, and the fourth option is 2 divided by 3. Let us consider z equal to x plus iy. Use here, in this case minus 2 is the real part, here x is also real part here. So modulus of x minus 2, write in a 1 bracket here, plus I into y. Z minus 2 means x minus 2, these are real parts here, plus I into y is equal to 2 into and a cross multiplier. So modulus of z minus 3 here, z is this one. So write x minus 3 in a bracket here, plus I into y. Okay. Then here modulus of this is squaring on both sides here. Squaring on both sides, so modulus of x minus 2 plus I into y whole square is equal to 2 square is 4. Modulus of x minus 3 plus I into y, it's a square here. So you know that suppose z equal to x plus I into y here, then the modulus of z square is x square plus y square here. Therefore this complex number square can write here x minus 2 square plus y square here is equal to 4 right as it is. Then x minus 3 square plus y square here, using that result here. X minus 2 whole square is x square minus of 4x plus 4 plus y square is equal to 4 into bracket x minus 3 square here, x square minus of 6x plus 9, so plus y square here. Now take 2 4 inside the bracket here, so x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 4x square, then plus 4y square, then 6 4s are 24 minus of 24x, 9 4s are 36 here plus 36 here. Take all the terms right hand side here. 4x square minus x square gives 3x square here. 4y square minus y square gives 3y square. Minus 24 plus 4 minus of 20x here. 36 minus 4 becomes plus 32 is equal to 0. Dividing both sides by 3 here. Dividing both sides by 3, we get x square plus y square minus of 20 divided by 3x plus 32 divided by 3 is equal to 0. Here we want a radius here. So comparing this with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this is a standard equation of the circle here. Just compare here. 2g is equal to this one here. 2g minus of 20 upon 3. And there is no y term here. So 2f is equal to 0. And c is equal to 32 by 3 here. C is equal to 32 divided by 3 here. 2 ones are 2 tens are. Therefore g minus of 10 upon 3 here. And f is 0 and c is 32 divided by 3 here. You know the radius here. Radius is given by the formula root of g square plus f square minus c. This is the formula here. So therefore this is equal to root of so this term square is 100 divided by 9. Then plus f square is f is 0, so it is 0. Then minus of 32 divided by 3. Therefore 9 is LCM in the square root here. So 9 LCM here. So write 100 as it is here. Then 32 into 3. 3 ones are 3 are cancel. So LCM is 9 here. Yes, so 3 3s are 9. 32 into 3 here. 96. 100 minus 96 is 4 here. 4 divided by 9. It gives 2 divided by 3 here. So therefore 2 upon 3 is the radius of the circle here.